Good evening, everyone. Today we have the very lovely, very square Stanley number 700 corner vise. Me and my lady went on a little bit of a anniversary junk hunt where we found not only this corner vise, but also the front door for our house. So, pretty successful. I went from owning 0 corner vises to owning 2 by the time I finished this video, because I needed to buy things. I picked up this 700. I just saw it at this junk store and grabbed it up and nearly tore my arm out of the socket. This thing weighs a ton. These are really kind of common corner vises, these 700s. There's a bunch of different styles. I really don't know the date in which mine was made. There's some that you can like screw into your bench permanently, or there's the sort of C-clamp style one that this one is. Nevertheless, I think they're great little vises. This one, the only thing that bothered me about it was the blue. Stanley products should be black and yellow or yellow and black, and that's really it. Stripped it down, primed it, threw some Sweet Baby yellow enamel paint on there, and then the jaws were originally masonite, and I wanted to do plywood jaws. I like plywood jaws. They're easy to replace, and I had a ton of plywood scrap and no masonite scrap, so, gotta work with what you got. The other thing is that besides this being a little bit of a restoration, this was also a customization. Thanks again to my lady for helping me out with this stuff. As you can see, I went yellow, and then here's my jaws, doing a little bit of a refinement. And then you can see my mini grinder. This thing I picked up on Amazon. It's really insane. It's super tiny, but it does a lot of stuff, especially sharpening protocols. Anyway, so the other thing I wanted to do, and I do with almost all my vises, is I line it with a little bit of leather. That way it doesn't matter with what I'm working on. I don't have to worry about my vise marring up the surface, especially, on finished surface. So, like I said, I ended up with 2 corner vises. I got this one, and then I got a Champion from 1917. And I think what's going to happen is this Stanley is going to be a Christmas present. And I think the Champion is going to get a restoration and is going to live permanently at my house. Yeah, I don't know. If you have any interest in a Stanley 700 customized, and you're one of my friends, give me a shout. We'll chit chat, maybe a little Christmas present situation. So it was a great project, super enjoyable. Thank you very much, and have a lovely evening.